Oh no, he lost his phone. This T-Rex is really hungry. He's so hungry he's gonna eat the phone. Okay, maybe he's not that hungry. He's not gonna eat the phone after all. I'm missing my phone. Ah, there it is. Oh no, my Jeep is out of gas. Today is my lucky day. I just found a gas container. What I can do is put some gas right in here. That's better. Owen is gonna show us what the view is from up on top of the watchtower. So he's gonna climb the ladder. And here he is. Hey everyone, the view from up here is amazing. Wow, it sure is. We can even see the T-Rex. And we can also turn Owen around so he can see all the way around. Hey everyone, what do you say we build something different? Sounds good to me. Let's have the T-Rex knock this down so we can build something else. So we're gonna have Owen get out of the way. And here comes the T-Rex. You can knock it down, T-Rex. No, not after the Jeep. The Jeep is good as it is. That's right, T-Rex. Please leave it alone. Thanks, T-Rex, for all your help. All right, let's build something totally different now. So we're gonna use this green platform and we'll put this railing set there. And this gray block goes there. We'll stack these brick looking blocks there. And we're going to build this up a lot taller than the other one. And let's put these pillars back there. Now we need the red flat block. That'll go right there. And the Jurassic World block goes here. And the tall lookout tower is on top. We're almost done. And it's complete. The super huge tall lookout tower. What do you think, T-Rex? Do you like it? Yep, T-Rex likes it. What is it, T-Rex? He wants to know if he can knock down this building. Well, this is a pretty neat looking building. I suppose. T-Rex, you can knock the building down. Here he goes. T-Rex, you did it again. Wait a second, T-Rex, where are you going? The T-Rex just ran off. We need to build a lookout tower quickly so we can spot the T-Rex. That sounds like a good idea, but we might need some extra building blocks. And here they are. Now we can make this tower extra tall. Look at how tall this is already. And we're gonna build it even taller. Here it is, the ultimate lookout tower. Now we just have to figure out a way to get Owen up on top. I have an idea. Let's use a ladder. That's a good idea. But there's still a long way to go. Well, maybe I can jump to this first level. Here it goes. You did it, Owen, but you still have a little way to go. I can do this. You're doing it, Owen. I don't believe it. Now Owen is at the top of the tower. Hey Owen, do you see the T-Rex anywhere? No, I don't, surprisingly, and I can see really far out. Wait a second, I spotted something. That's not the T-Rex. That's different dinosaurs. I have another idea. I'll look for the T-Rex in my Jeep. Now I just have to figure out a way to get down from here. I could jump down or climb down. I think it's a better idea to climb down from up here. Here it goes. Whoa. This is a tall tower to climb down. I did it! Now let's go find the T-Rex. Here it is, the wobbly bridge. Whoa! This is fun! It's almost like a ride. And if we want our figure to balance on the bridge, we have to stand our figure like that. And now it's less wobbly. Oh no, it's dinosaurs! They're not safe! Whoa! I'm sure glad they're friendly dinosaurs. Now let's take this set apart and build the petting zoo. Here it is, everyone, the Jurassic World Petting Zoo. I need to get a picture of this. This is a really neat petting zoo because it has this big tall palm tree, nice flowers, and the bridge. We'll put our dinosaur on here. Since this is a petting zoo, we should let everyone pet the dinosaurs. The friendly dinosaurs. Nice dinosaur. This petting zoo is so neat. Oh no, it's a T-Rex. I have to run. Wait a second. I can't just leave my friendly, gentle dinosaur friends behind. I have to go back and help them. Mr. Dinosaur, you need to stay away from my friends because this is a gentle giant's petting zoo. Oh no, he doesn't seem very gentle. Oh no, the T-Rex fell off the wobbly bridge. Now he's after my dinosaur friends. Hello there, kid. No need to be afraid. This T-Rex is a nice T-Rex. That's good. I was concerned he wasn't going to be nice to my friends. No need to worry. This T-Rex fits right in at the Gentle Giant's Petting Zoo. In fact, this T-Rex is so nice, it'll even take you for a ride. Yeehaw! Whoa! This T-Rex sure is fast. That is so cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Just for Fun 290. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye!